Michael Gordon with E3 Realty.
And I'm Sharon Lopez with E3 Realty. And welcome home to 218 Cheyenne Drive in Vacaville, California.
Nestled in the Twin Creek Estates subdivision, this home is the ideal location with a park-like atmosphere that is an absolute dream. Already the fact that it's a single-story home with 6 bedrooms and 3 full bathrooms is a unicorn home to begin with, but wait till you see that oasis behind us that backs to a creek trail with no rear neighbors. It is absolutely stunning. We know you're going to love it, so let's go in and take a look.
The curb appeal of this front yard welcomes you with a lush garden that gifts you year-round with seasonal flowers and lush landscape unlike any other. Upon entry, the formal living room with connected dining room is the ideal space to entertain guests and loved ones with window shutters to control the light in an elegant fashion. The kitchen is ample in size, providing copious storage and counter space. The additional storage with built-in organizers is a true convenience. The gas cooktop stove is ideal for home-cooked meals, and enjoy the view from the kitchen window and easy access to the family room with wood-burning fireplace to cozy up to on those chilly nights. This home also includes a large bonus room that can be used for a home school, home gym, large office, recreation room, and more. The options are endless. The 6 ample-sized bedrooms provide an abundance of space. Beautiful natural light, roomy, well-placed closets, and all except one features ceiling fans for comfort, creating the ideal space to enjoy for loved ones, guests, and a home office. One guest bedroom has an ensuite bathroom with an updated vanity and shower over sunken tub, a true junior suite.
The primary bedroom is massive, showcasing a vaulted ceiling, an extensive walk-in closet, ceiling fan, and an ensuite bathroom featuring a separate shower stall and a soaking tub. The bedroom provides the third access point to a private patio and a lush backyard. Enjoy your magnificent park-like oasis with multiple decks to dine outdoors and entertain large gatherings, garden beds for the horticulturist in the family, a multitude of outdoor adventures to experience all year round, including a basketball court, children's play area with swings, and playhouse. The lush vegetation and mature trees are well appreciated and a wide variety. Everything you could want or need all in one place. Vacaville is a wonderful community which makes it an incredible place to live, work, and play. Nearby, enjoy Alamo Creek Park, with large play structures, tennis courts, and lush natural landscape. Convenient shopping, dining, and electric vehicle charging nearby at the Alamo Plaza Shopping Center. There are miles of trails, fields, and numerous places to enjoy outdoor activities and sports. Easy access to 680 and the famous Vacaville Premium Outlets, the Nut Tree Plaza for games and entertainment, and so much more. Come see what makes this home and community so special. So much for taking the tour with us. An opportunity like this rarely ever comes up, especially in this neighborhood with a home that sits on over a quarter-acre lot. Please feel free to reach out to us with any questions at the numbers below.
And to virtually walk through this property in full 3D, explore 2D and 3D floor plans, photos, and more, please feel free to visit the property website at 218 Cheyenne Drive.
Thank you, and we look forward to connecting with you soon. Take care.